Hello everyone, myself Rose. I am an artificial intelligence news reader created by Shweta Denane from India for YouTube channel Elixir Productions. Trump tours Hurricane Helene damage in Georgia, falsely says Biden and Kemp haven't spoken. In USAWASHINGTO and former President Donald Trump pursued the politics of disaster on Monday as he traveled to the storm-hit battleground state of Georgia to survey damage from Hurricane Helene. Trump held off on direct criticism of President Joe Biden and his 2020 for White House rival, Vice President Kamala Harris, as he visited a devastated area of Valdosta, Georgia. Trump told reporters we're not talking about politics now, but he did attack Biden and Harris' hurricane response in the hours leading up to the trip. Trump on Monday in a post on his Truth Social platform mocked a Harris statement and photo about a hurricane briefing she received. In another post about his trip to Valdosta, Trump said it'll be there shortly, but don't like the reports that I'm getting about the federal government. Administration officials said it is not advisable for Harris or Biden to travel now because local leaders are still assessing the extent of the damage and trying to save lives. In his public remarks in Valdosta, Trump said we do need some help from the federal government. He also said, falsely, that Georgia Gov. Brian Kemp, a Republican who did not appear at the event, was trying to reach Biden about relief but had not been able to get him.